Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you've got to keep moving. One of my favorite quotes of all time. What that means to me is we can't stop exploring. We have got to achieve goals that seem impossible to reach. And that's exactly why today I'm honoring a man who has changed the life we live and the understanding of how our world works in ways that no one else has. The equation E equals MC squared, which he is so famous for coming up with, and is without a doubt the most famous equation in existence. Almost everyone on this planet in all corners of the world has heard this before. By now you probably know who I'm referring to, and that's Mr. Albert Einstein. He was born in Germany in 1879. And at an early age, he didn't show any signs of being a genius. In fact, he didn't even speak till the age of 3. It's quite funny, actually, because now there's a syndrome called the Einstein syndrome, in which it is described as an exceptionally bright person whose speech is delayed. So why is he so different than us? Is it perhaps his curiosity for the things around us that we just didn't find interesting? Or maybe he just had a bigger head to store information in. And actually, his parental lobe is 15% larger. So I guess size really does matter. In 1921, he won the Nobel Peace Prize. And in 1925, he won the Copley Medal from the Royal Society of London for his contributions to quantum theory. He is a man of great wisdom, and many have respected him. So much, in fact, that the state of Israel offered him to be the president. He respectfully declined, though. Having said, he did not have the natural aptitude and experience to deal with people properly. I could only understand a little of science and none of human nature. That could be said by most presidents to this day. I think we all can say, though, he was a genius. A man that gave his all for science. And by all, I mean his brain. Yes, that's right, he gave his brain. He was cremated and had his ashes spread around, but left his brain to be studied at a Princeton hospital. I wonder if anyone would do that for me. All jokes aside, I have more respect for everything he has been through and all his discoveries and his achievements that I truly couldn't imagine what this world would be like without him. Everything from science to math, he revolutionized our society with his basic principles, and I am truly grateful and appreciative for everything he has done. Thank you.